exam today.
You read.
Colors of the picture. Color the pictures of your E-page with the E
sentences. Good. So my E-page, where's the E? So you need to color the pictures. Where's your color? Get your color. That one. Color it. Color.
My new.
Color it.
I don't know what is it
color
called
the letter. What's the letter E here? It's the.
It's E.
Oh, you color the letter E. Or the.
Where is the orange?
No, not the face. Only the letter. The E. This one, so that the teacher can see it. Ears only. Color it.
I love the color.
Color it properly.
My start.
Color it properly, like this.
Okay.
Like that. Oh, now here, this one. Color the elbow. Color the elbow. The elbow only. Color it. Where's your crayons, ba? It's in your bag. Where are your markers? There are your markers, so why can't you use your markers? Not this one. Use your markers.
No, it will. It will go inside my...
Just color the elbow.
Oh my God, it looks like it's bleeding. Oh my God, can I color the other elbow too?
Yeah. Next, color the egg. What's the egg color?
Oh my God, I think I will. Oh my God, I want to color this one. I can't. No, stay. Shut. Oh, I think.
Color the egg.
Okay, I will call it like a bunny. Why are you? Oh, elephants are gray. Oh my God.
Is the egg color pink?
I want to make a Easter rabbit egg for it. I love pink and blue. Blue and pink is light. Yellow. And red.
So is that a rainbow egg?
Yeah. Right is orange there. Oh my God.
What's the next subject you like? Filipino, math, or science?
I want to have English. I think I will stick with this only.
No, you still have 3 more. Math, science, Filipino.
I want to do. I don't know what to choose. Can you choose?
Okay, Filipino.
Huh? Don't
Hurry
know
up.
what to read.
Hurry up. Dapat i-vlog mo yan sa...
There we go, Mom. Egg. Can I color the clock?
Color the egg na. They didn't even check your assignment. What kind of teachers are they?
Sometimes my fingers hurt when I'm drawing, but I'm sticking with it. I don't know why I didn't know teachers will
Now, color the elf na.
The elf can eat.
Of course, they're hungry.
Okay, wait. Okay, now the elephant. Is the elephant trunk still? I think it will be. Oh my god! It will. I think it will be red because elephants have a red. Wait, elves can eat mushrooms.
Yeah. Are you done with that? While you're doing that, we're going to do your Filipino because this is reading. It says here, bigkasin ang magagalang na pananalita. Magandang umaga po.
Maganda umaga po.
Magandang tanghali po.
Magandang mahali po.
Maganda hapon po. Magandang gabi po. Paki abot po ng kanin. Salamat po. Walang anuman po. Maaari po bang magpatulong? Louder, love. Maaari po bang magpatulong? Look at me. Patulong. Kiraan
po.
kiraan po. Bilugan ang tamang magalang na pananalita. Gusto mo sanang dumaan sa gitnang ng iyong ate at kuya. Makikiraan po. Kuya at ate. Oh, you circle this. So this one, it says in English, excuse me, ate, kuya. So you're going to ask permission to go in between them. Okay? Or next.
Is it the circle?
Yeah, you're right. Next. Later na yan. Later. Do this first. Later. Put that down. Binigyan ka ng iyong tatay ng bagong damit. So it says here, you were gifted with a dress. What will you say?
Thank you.
So in Tagalog, it's maraming salamat po. Tatay. Oh, you circle it. Okay, next. Nagpasalamat. Louder. No, louder. Nagpasalamat. No, look at me. Salamat sa iyo ang nakakatanda mong kapatid na lalaki. So this one is, it's saying thank you to you. What will you say?
You're welcome.
So in Tagalog, it's wala kong anuman kuya. Oh, you circle this.
Can I circle the whole thing?
No. Oh, louder. Gusto mong ipakuha ang iyong damit sa iyong nakatatandang kapatid na babae. Oh, what will you say to someone you want to ask someone to get your bag? What will you say?
Thank you.
No, you want mommy to get your bag. What will you say?
Can you please help me get my bag?
In Tagalog, that's kuha po ng aking damit ate. Oh, you circle this. So this one is, can you get my dress? This one is, thank you ate. Or you're welcome ate. So you circle this one. What's wrong, love? Again, this one. Listen. It's like later na yan. You don't listen. Circle this. Here, it's their pencil.
Does this look like a circle to you?
Yeah, it's alright. It's oblong. Okay. Bagong gising ka. Nasa tabi mo ang iyong nanay. Okay, so what do you greet me in the morning?
Good morning.
Okay, so that one in Tagalog, it's magandang umaga po nanay. Okay, I circle this.
Can I circle the whole, not the whole message? Can I circle the whole reading?
Sure. You're done with Filipino. Finish your color. We'll do math.
Why should
Math,
we?
it's page 14.
I don't know how to do math.
Okay, math. This one, it says, what's the, you read?
Let's do more.
No. Okay, good. This one? This one? Come on, read. This one, connect.
Connect the points and
Label.
them X, Y, Z.
Okay, so you connect the dots. Connect it. You draw it. Connect it together.
Wait.
Good.
Teacher said I need to connect here A to C and C to A.
Okay, now you put letter X here.
X,
Y here.
Y,
And Z here.
Z.
Good. Says here, what's this?
Draw
Draw
one
triangle
triangle on the
grid
grid. Name
The
the triangle
D
DEF.
F. Okay, so you need to draw a triangle. Okay, you draw it here. D E F. Good. Okay, next. So it says here 17. Okay. You read. Name.
Let's name.
Apply.
Name 3
Objects.
in the classroom that have the shape of a triangle.
Rectangle. Trace.
Trace the badge
Edges.
of a
Table.
table. What shape is it?
What shape is it?
A table.
What shape?
A rectangle.
Okay, you trace it first. Come on.
Okay. Then trace the dots. A line. Line. D-O-B-S. What is obvious?
Good. Now you write rectangle. R. Here, you start here, the corner.
Okay.
R.
So easy. Don't see the letter R.
E.
Wait, there's a person cursor here. F. Do a F, and then do another line here.
Okay, letter C.
Make only a circle. Don't attach it.
T. A. That's correct. A. N. G.
Wait. Wait, I'm going to see.
Letter C first.
Wait,
and
wait,
then,
don't tell me.
Okay. What's the letter G? How do you draw it? No. That's small letter E.
It looks so blue.
What letter is this at the end?
G.
Oh, so that's how you draw it. Letter L at the end, next to the letter L and letter E.
Oh my God.
It's okay. Go, letter E. Outside. Good. And then, you write table. Here. Table. Here, you write T. Just make it small. T. A.
Wait. Small.
B. Lumabas.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Tito. Uy. L. E. And then board. So you write the whiteboard. W. Small letters only ulit. No, next this one na.
Next this one.
That's a comma. And then next to it. W.
W.
Here, you write there. W.
W.
H.
Wait. W.
H.
I.
T. E. B. B.
Oh my God, I don't know. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Oh my God, let's spell it out. Let me do it. Let me do it.
Next to letter E. B. O. A. R. D. Dog. And then what else? What's also other rectangle? A table, the whiteboard, and what else? Let's see. Books. You write books. Come on. B. So B.
And B.
No, letter B. No, it's okay. Oh. O. O. K.
Wait, I know.
S.
Wait, I know.
Good. Okay, what's this? You read.
Let's check your understanding.
On the dot. Grid. Rectangle.
That
is
for
units wide and 5 units long. Okay, so you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it
1,
first.
2, 3.
You trace it. From here, you count. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, stop. And then down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, trace again. Back. Here. Back. Trace it back. Oh. Trace it back here like this. Oh, do it. Follow it.
Here.
Follow the line. You go here.
I go there.
Follow it.
Earlier, I
Connect
was
it.
going to go there.
And then go. Done. Good. Next. This one. What's this?
Let's do more. The finger
Louder.
below.
Read it louder.
The
Figure.
figure below is
Rectangle.
rectangle. Trace 3.
Right 3.
Right 3.
Reasons.
Reasons why it is
Rectangle.
rectangle.
Okay, so you write.
I write.
You write 4. 4. You write 4. It has 4. That's not number 4, Kali.
Flag.
You erase it properly. Come on. 4. You write 4. 4. 4 here.
Wait.
On the number line 1. 4. What's the number 4, Kali?